We are pleased to show you the 2026 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.